Here's some free living species trivia. Subscribe. Which animal is the largest species of cat in the world? Is it A, cougar, B, cheetah, C, Siberian tiger, or D, lion? The correct answer is C, Siberian tiger. What species is known to be the fastest land animal? Is it A, lion, B, cheetah, C, horse, or D, elephant? The correct answer is B, cheetah. What type of insect is known for its role in pollination? Is it A, beetle, B, fly, C, butterfly, or D, bee? The correct answer is D, bee. Which animal is known for its elaborate multicolored feathers? Is it A, peacock, B, sparrow, C, eagle, or D, crow? The correct answer is A, peacock. What species of antelope is also known as the blackbuck? Is it A, impala, B, springbok, C, kudu, or D, antelope cervicapra? The correct answer is D, antelope cervicapra. What marine invertebrate is known for its intelligence and ability to use tools? Is it A, sea cucumber, B, jellyfish, C, squid, or D, octopus? The correct answer is D, octopus. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.